What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today I've been doing a quick tutorial on how to update your Nvidia driver if you own a PC, laptop, or desktop that comes with an Nvidia graphics card. And let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video.
Okay, step one for this tutorial, if you don't have the Nvidia program downloaded already on your laptop or desktop, make sure to just go and Google, just search like GeForce drivers, pretty self-explanatory, bring you to this, click on the first link. And here you can basically type in whatever you want based on your PC. Like, obviously you're using GeForce. And then you can select your specific kind of graphics card. Like for me, I have a 900M series for a laptop. And from here, I have a 960M. I'm not actually going in, I also have Windows 10 64-bit. So that's what I would put in since I have a GTX 960M. If you're confused about this, you can do auto detect your GPU, or maybe just check your laptop's specs in the manual or something, or when you bought it, just look at how it's advertised. So yeah, from here, just click download and download the program. It's going to load on your laptop, and I'm now going to cut into the actual program and show you how to update your driver. Okay, so guys, I'm here in the app or the program. As you can see, at the Home tab, it just shows all the games you have on your laptop. It's a pretty useful program, especially you can actually live stream on this. If you guys want to see a live streaming tutorial, just leave that in the comments below, because that's also a feature that you can do with this. And you can also record, I'm pretty sure, your games. So yeah, it'll show all your games right here. And then what you want to do is come over to the drivers tab. This is going to show your drivers. And you can click check for updates. You can do that. I mean, I have an update right here, but if you don't, you can click that and an update will pop up. So basically, if you have this program installed on your laptop or desktop, you will receive, if you have notifications turned on for this, you'll receive little pop-ups. They'll say like you have a new driver available, stuff like that, and basically you can come in here and actually install the driver. And it'll say GeForce Game Ready driver, version whatever, release date whatever, and it'll usually like describe what this driver helps do. And if you guys don't know what drivers do, it basically helps boost your graphics in certain games without having to go out and purchase like another laptop or a separate GPU. Basically updating your driver so that it can handle more graphically intensive games and basically be better optimized for those games. And it's completely free, so it saves you a lot of money from having to go upgrade your PC to have a better graphics card. So usually just click Express installation for this. It doesn't really matter. Usually get some advertising right here. They're already up to the GeForce, wow, 2070? That's crazy. So yeah, I'm not going to sit here and just wait for this to load. So basically that's it, guys. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure to leave a like on this video. If you guys want to see more PC tutorials, Xbox tutorials, Fortnite tutorials, any kind of tutorial, just let me know. And subscribe if you're new. We're almost to 1,000 subs. So if you guys are new, make sure to support the channel by subscribing. You can also support the channel by clicking those Amazon affiliate links in the description and go and buy something off Amazon, and I will earn a commission from that. So if you guys want to see better content on the channel, you want to support the channel, make sure to click those links and buy something. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torn for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamborghini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linker feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.